What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses, birthing bosses. She's birthing bosses, birthing bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss.
Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm having a great day or great morning so far, you guys. I wanted to do a video with you all before I get on the road today. And guess what we're going to be working on? We are going to be working on a Christmas basket, you guys. As you all know, or those of you that's been following me for a while, I normally don't do baskets that are catered to specific holidays unless it's Valentine's. Now for Christmas, I normally do a few that screams Christmas, but for the most part, you're gonna only get that from my business during Valentine's Day. That way, the baskets, if they do not sell, can just float from holiday to holiday. So we over here design multi-purpose or multi-occasion, okay? So anyway, today we're gonna do the Christmas thing, all right? So these are some cute little stickers that one of my subscribers, which now has a channel, Queendom Baskets. Sorry, you guys, I recorded this sideways. I did not have time to edit it, but it's www.queendombaskets.com. And her telephone number is 424-333-1290. And make sure you mention Boss Lady Fee to get you a small discount. This cute little sticker to me. And because of these nails, I'm having a hard time. That right here in the front of this basket, you guys. These are some of the cute baskets that I got from, or tins that I got from Pop Shelf. I'm gonna take our time and lay it down really flat. Make sure there's no air bubbles there. This is so cute, you guys. Then we're going to be using these cute backpacks that I got from Family Dollar, guys. So we are going to go ahead and prepare the foundation or the backing for this basket. I've already did the actual foundation. I got newspaper under there. And then I just put the shipping paper on top. So anyway, I hope everyone is good today. Like I said, it's early Sunday morning. I'm going to get this video uploaded just as soon as I finish it. I'm going to try my best to get 2 done before I leave. So yeah, they will be up. So be watching the channel. But if you would, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Even while you're watching me now, just take a second to pause for the calls. And just click the like button if you don't mind. Or the thumbs up. We're going to slip this right behind the newspaper. You want to get it down far enough so that, you know, it has some stability. For a basket, if your foundation is not good, it's going to cause everything else to be a flop. All right, so we're gonna sit that there. Let's see. Let's put this just to be on the safe side, y'all, because I mean, let's just be honest. These little bags came from Family Dollar, okay? I will hope that, you know, that they can get a few uses out of it, but at the same token, we know it's not a great quality bag, okay? So I'm going to put the tape on this part to protect the straps just in case the plastic, just in case the tape messes with the material on the bag, okay? Just a little safety. All right. All right, and there we have that. right, so we got that sitting there. And then we're gonna come in. I have several items. I don't know what I'll be able to use and what I won't, but I'll show you what I have. I have this 4-piece lotion set. Y'all, I got these from Dollar General. Woo, God, it's been some years ago. And I had so many of them. I paid 25 cents for them after Christmas, and I have so many. Well, I had so many. I'm almost at the end now. Yeah, one of these coffee cups from Dollar Tree. So let's see. I may shift things around and just kind of seeing what I got to work with and where I want to work with it at. I got these cute cozy socks. Family Dollar as well. Let's see. Might put this. Would be nice to put a little ribbon around the socks, but I don't know if I have any.
Get your money, honey. And fill your bag.
Right here will kind of serve as foundation as well. So let me back out just a little bit so that I can get over here. Sorry, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna wrap up the socks with a little ribbon on the socks and we'll be back.
Birthing bosses, she's birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses, she's birthing bosses. Birthing bosses. Birthing bosses.
Get your money, honey.
Birthing bosses. Bosses. Birthing bosses.
And fill your bag.
Bosses. Bosses.
Get your money, honey. And fill your bag. Get your money, honey. And fill your bag.
What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses, birthing bosses. She's birthing bosses, birthing bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses, she's birthing bosses, birthing bosses. Birthing bosses.
Get your money, honey.
Birthing bosses, bosses. Birthing bosses.
And fill your bag.
Bosses, bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses, birthing bosses. She's birthing bosses, birthing bosses. What you know about Fee? She's a boss. What you say about Fee? She's a boss. Birthing bosses, she's birthing bosses.